A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you and your family are safe, and I also hope that you have completed your GK homework. I'm going to share answer of the last homework, which is chapter number 2. Open chapter number 2 and match your answer. Name of the chapter is Cultural Festival. Fill in the blanks using the help box. First answer is Kumbh Mela. Kumbh, Kumbh, Mel, Mela. Second answer is the dash is a camel and livestock fair held in Rajasthan every year. Answer is Pushkar Fair. Third is the dash is held every year on the Sagar Island in the West Bengal during Makar Sankranti. The answer is Ganga Sagar Mela. Fourth, the Nagaur Cattle Fair is held every year in dash. Answer is Rajasthan. 5. The dash is held every year near the Triyanteshwara temple in Gujarat. Answer is Tarantar Mela. 6. The Surajkund Fair showcasing handlooms and handicraft is held every year in dash. Answer is Haryana. 7. King Momo leads the celebration of the annual dash Goa Carnival. Answer is Goa Carnival. Last is the Natyanjali Dance Festival is held every year in dash Tamil Nadu. Answer is Tamil Nadu. First answer is, I repeat once again, match your answer. First, Kumbh Mela. Second, Pushkar Fair. Third, Ganga Sagar Mela. Fourth, Rajasthan. Fifth, Tarantar Mela. Sixth, Haryana. Seventh, Goa Carnival. Eighth, Tamil Nadu. Right? Now, chapter number 3, folk dance. Folk dances are an important part of the cultural heritage of India. Each state has its own traditional dance. Right? Match the following folk dances with the state of their origin. In this chapter, left hand side folk dances names are given and right side states names are given. Match the folk dance with their with their origin state. So let us start. The first question is, the first dance is Yakshagana. Yakshagana is the folk dance of the state Karnataka. So write 1 in the box. Right? Second, Chao. Chao is the folk dance of Odisha. Write 2 here. Garba. Garba is the folk dance of dash. Which state? Everyone know which is Garba is the folk dance of which state? Yes, very good. Gujarat. Right 3. Fourth, Lavani. Lavani is the folk dance of state Maharashtra. Right 4. Bihu. Bihu is the folk dance of Assam. Right 5 in front of Assam. And last one is Ghumar. Ghumar is the folk dance of yes Rajasthan. I repeat once again, match your answer. Yakshagana, Karnataka, that is C. Chao, Odisha, F. Garba, Gujarat. Answer A. Lavani, Maharashtra, which is B. Bihu, Assam, and Ghumar, Rajasthan, that is D. Okay. Now move to the next chapter. Fourth chapter. Fourth chapter is Famous First. Complete this crossword puzzle using the clues and the help box. Complete this crossword puzzle using the clues. Here some clues are given. Fill in this crossword puzzle with the help of these clues. Across, down. Across means left to right and down means top to bottom. The first question is the first Indian Prime Minister to receive the Bharat Ratna. The first Indian Prime Minister to receive the Bharat Ratna. What is the answer? Take help with the clue. Take help from the clue. What is the first Indian Prime Minister to receive the Bharat Ratna? Yes, right answer. Very good. The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Fill Jawaharlal Nehru here. Jawahar, Jawahar, Lal, Lar, Lal, Nehru, Nehru, Nehru. Second question is at number 4. The first Indian to swim across the English Channel. The first Indian to swim across the English Channel. What is the answer? Take help from the help box. Wrong. Rita Faria is the wrong answer. The right answer is Mihir Sen. Right, Mihir Sen. At number 4, Mihir, Mihir, Sen, Sen. Right. Next is third. The first woman IPS officer of India. Yes, very good. Right answer. The right answer is Kiran Bedi. Right, Kiran Bedi at number 6. Kiran, Kiran, Bedi, Bedi. Right. Next, the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Yes, sir. Very good. Right answer again. Bachendri Pal. Right, Bachendri Pal at the number 7. Bachendri Bachendri Pal. The first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha is Meera Kumar. Right, Meera Kumar at number 8. Meira, Meera Kumar, Kumar, Meera Kumar. Right, now down. The first vice president of India to become the president. The first vice president from India. Who was the first vice president of India? Yes, right answer, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Right, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna at number 1. Sarvepalli, Sarvapalli Radha, 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 Krishnan, Radhakrishnan. Right answer. The first Indian to travel to space. Yes, Rakesh Sharma, the right answer. Very good class. Rakesh Sharma. Where is Rakesh Sharma? At number 2. Rakesh, Rakesh, Sharma, Rakesh Sharma. And the last one is the first Indian woman to win the Miss World contest. The answer is Rita Faria. Right, Rita Faria at number 5. Rita, Rita, Faria, Rita Faria. Right. So in this way we have completed this puzzle. Now chapter number 5, true false. Saurabh Ganguly was the captain of the Kolkata Knight Riders when they won their first IPL in 2012. Who was the captain of Kolkata Knight Riders when they won their first IPL in 2012? Is this Saurabh Ganguly? No, it is false. When Kolkata Knight Riders won their first IPL in 2012, then Gautam Gambhir was the captain. So here is false. Right? Who was the captain? Gautam Gambhir. Next, in 2018, Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian javelin thrower to win a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games. Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian javelin thrower to win a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games. Yes, it is right. It is true. Neeraj Chopra was the first Indian javelin thrower who won a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games. He threw javelin at 88.06 meter. Vijay Kumar and Abhinav Bindra won medals in shooting at the 2012 Olympic Games. False. Abhinav Bindra won the gold medal at the 2008 Olympic Games, not 2012. It is a false. Baichung Bhutia has played for several foreign clubs in football. Yes, this is true. Next one is Saina Nehwal is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Saina Nehwal is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. No, wrong answer. Saina Nehwal is not. PV Sindhu is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. It is a false. Now, Virat Kohli was the captain of the team that won the Under-19 World Cup in 2012. When Indian Under-19 Cricket World Cup team won World Cup in 2012, who was the captain? Is it Virat Kohli? No, false. It is a false. Unmukt Chand was the captain in 2012. Virat Kohli was the captain of Under-19 Cricket World Cup in 2008. Right? Next, Deepa Malik, the first Indian woman to win a Paralympics medal, is associated with the sport of shot put. Yes, it is true. Paralympics games is just like Olympic games, but the difference is that in the Paralympic games, only physically disabled person took parts. Right? In 2018, boxer MC Mary Kom claimed her maiden gold at the Commonwealth Games. Yes, maiden means first. In 2018, boxer MC Mary Kom claimed her first gold at the Commonwealth Games. Yes, this is true. I repeat once again, match your answer. First false, second true, third false, fourth true, 5 false, 6 false, 7 true, 8 true. Right? In this way, we have completed chapter number 5. Now, chapter number 6, FIFA World Cup. Right? The FIFA World Cup is an international football competition. Just like Cricket World Cup, in the football, FIFA World Cup is an international football competition. FIFA is the World Cup of the football. It is held once in every 4 years. Just like cricket, it is also held in every 4 years. It is contested by men's national teams of member countries of Federation International de Football Association. Underline this point. Full form of FIFA is Federation International de Football Association. Let us learn about the winners of the FIFA World Cup since its beginning in the year 1930. First, Brazil. Brazil has won the tournament 5 times. Underline it. Brazil has won the tournament 5 times. 1958, 1962, 70, 1992. Right? Germany has won the tournament 4 times. Underline. Germany has won the tournament 4 times. Which year? 1954, 1974, 1990 and as unified Germany in 2014. Argentina has won the tournament 2 times, that is 1978 and 1986. Right? Uruguay was the winner of the first FIFA World Cup tournament. Underline, Uruguay was the winner of the first FIFA World Cup tournament held in 1930. Right? Uruguay was the first winner of the FIFA World Cup. France has won the tournament in 1988 and in the recently concluded 2018 World Cup held in Russia. England was the winner of the tournament in the year 1966. Spain won the tournament in 2010. Right? Underline the main points. Now, FIFA awards. Golden Ball. Golden Ball awarded to the FIFA World Cup tournament's best player. Best player. Underline best player and Golden Ball. Golden Ball is awarded to the best player of the FIFA World Cup tournament. Right? Golden Boot. Golden Boot awarded to the top goal scorer of the tournament. The person who scores more goals got Golden Boot award. Top goal scorer. Underline Golden Boot and top goal scorer. Golden Glove. It is awarded to the best goalkeeper. Golden Glove awarded to the best goalkeeper of the tournament. Underline best goalkeeper, Golden Glove. Best young player award. It is awarded to the best player of the tournament age 21 years or younger. Underline 21 years or younger. Best young player award. Right? I repeat once again. Golden Ball award. Best player award. Golden Boot. Top goal scorer. Golden Glove. Best Goalkeeper and Best Young Player award under 21 years or younger. So, top 10 FIFA World Cup legend. It is your homework. Read this page and underline main points. Right? I hope you understand and completed your work. Okay, thank you.